Hello students, this is the second part of our second semester's third poem, and that is The Quality of Mercy, which is written by William Shakespeare. So in the second part we are going to start the actual poem from its first line. Now listen carefully. The quality of mercy is not strained. What is the meaning of mercy? In the last part I have told you. I am going to give you again. Mercy, it means compassion or pity. Strain, it means forced. The quality of mercy is not a strain. So, if you need a quality in you of mercy, it means show pity or compassion about others. So that quality you cannot get by force. That is inherent quality, that is natural quality. The dropped it means fall down. As the gentle it means mild or soft. Rain from heaven upon the place beneath. Beneath it means underneath. So it dropped as a gentle rain from the heaven upon the place beneath. So mercy, here is mercy is compared with the gentle or mild soft rain which is falling from the heaven, and that is falling on the place, which place is beneath, underneath of that heaven or of that rain. It is twice blessed. It blessed him that gives and him that takes. So this rain of mercy blessed two persons. One who give mercy and other is who take mercy or some kind of pity or compassion. Tease. Now tease, it means it is. Tis mightest in the mightest, it becomes the throned. Throned, it means a king placed on the throne. So what is the meaning of throne? The chair of the king in assembly. The mightiest in the mightiest, it becomes the throned monarch. Monarch, it means king. Better than his crown. Crown, it means monarch's head is round shape, that is called crown. So here we are getting information, the mightiest in the mightiest. So any king who is very mighty, very powerful, so any powerful king in another powerful kings, it becomes the throned monarch better than his crown. So that king can be a throne. It means a king placed on a throne. It means a particular that king sit on the chair, which is the chair of a dignity, which is the chair of a great respect, and the king sit on that chair. He is a scepter. Scepter it means the rod or staff of king. Show the force of temporal power. Temporal it means earthly. Earthly it means that which has an end. Fourth, the temporal power. So the king is having some scepters. It means he is a staff member, and those staff members show their power, because if the king's staff members show power, it means that king is powerful. But the scepter's power, the king's power is temporal. It means someday this power going to be end. Someday everyone going to die. Everything going to finish on this earth one day. So this is temporal power. The attribute it means inherent or natural quality. To awe. Awe it means reverential fear. Reverential it means respectful fear, and majesty. Majesty it means dignity. The attribute to awe and majesty. So particularly that king need the inherent quality, the natural quality, which is having a reverential fear and dignity in that king. These two qualities need naturally or inherent in that king. So students, in this way, this second part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day, all of you. Thank you very much.